Viewers all over the world, as you already know my name, Ogbuefi Ezeana, ugochitubelu na Oraifite. I'm an ancient high priest. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na ugochitubelu ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afa midemi n'ụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazi m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission, bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist, I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị taa n'oge awa nke eziokwu, isiokwu anyị ji wee bịa bụ benefit of nature and animistic beings. Benefits of nature and animistic beings. I'm here to tell you that before man was created, before man came to this gross material world, go existence of nature and animistic beings. In fact, in this gross material world we are living today, has been in existence thousands of years before man came. In that time, this world was dominated by the nature beings and animistic beings. Ha bụ ndị na-agagharị na-eme mma, ndị Chukwu si n'aka ha wee for that creation. Before man was permitted to coexist with these natural beings and animistic beings in this gross material world for the primary purpose, so that human spirit will mature by experiencing. Is because human spirit is higher. Yes, that's why human being was permitted to supersede and dominate this gross material world. However, human spirit can never succeed massively without the support of this nature and animistic beings. Concerning this topic. This topic is actually meant for matured minds. Before we dive into today's lecture, in the month of July, our monthly ritual is still ongoing. You can still join us anywhere you are, all over the world. Distance is never a barrier in all we do in the temple. We started this group rituals over 4 years now. We have massive testimonies, but we don't show them on social media because it's not necessary. It's not why we are here. Nation to go in the temple, Chuaja, go for Kubiokuni Sindri all over the world. The friends of the temple, children of the temple, members of Ordinary Restoration Evangelical Mission and consecrated group. We keep doing this way till the last day of the month. I did a temple, Chuaja, where Chikota Jadine, Nahamadum. So on this way, I have again what I Chikota here, na WhatsApp numbers are only. Now, Bobone Choriswell, and I Jana 2 or 1. Chat me on WhatsApp. You have WhatsApp number on your screen: 0805783772. Yes. Now let's proceed. Topic of today is benefit of nature and the animistic beings. I'm here to tell you no onye models or sibite the akaye and pop eat and pop pork. Classes of nature beings. But before I discuss about it, I will tell you the many kingdoms and realms. Yes, and sub-kingdoms they in the gross material world and the entire universe. And there too has where they in creation. Ekel alweke. Do you know that earthly governance is prototype of what is happening in the spiritual realm? It was we have one mother. We kings, queens, na obodo di iche. Etu aka esi nwekwa president na ndị ọchịchị dị iche iche n'obodo ọbụla. Etu aka ọ dịkwa na one more in the realms, in the kingdoms, in the sub-realms, everywhere. rulers and shakers of those kingdoms and realms. They can see we want to get out for matured minds. Man, you're not check all the no one matter. And with the president, and with other hierarchy of government, including the local government chairman, the mayor, the state governors, legislators, senate, and rest of them, to presidency, to secretary of the federation, and rest of them. What are getting what kind of powers? What the judiciary? To accord the one more. No one more on cadres of powers. Yes. Man, natural can call again. The two is in cadres of powers call had. No one mother before man was permitted to be here on earth. And well, the elemental means and mystic beings and forces of nature. These are nature beings that have existed millions of years. They are not humans, they are beings, meaning they can never die. What we human beings are striving for is to be here on earth to mature and become better human beings and become worthy ancestors, so that we will be celebrated as one of the worthy ancestors. In that no one I get busy do a baby. Makanando ade wenje de na ne mbawo ka na agbanwe. Mana na ma che gwa ki recognize ya those nature and the animistic beings. They are not humans, they are beings. Hard one. Their primary purpose is to further creation, to keep on creating, furthering creation. They are the ones that keep on growing rocks. They are the ones that are in charge of those natural phenomena. They are in charge of developing many things, beautifying the earth. Their work is to nurture the entire universe. However, in their assignment, they do come across man. However, when a man or men are in good terms, good book, they are good book, you will be blessed, you will be favored. They are privileged to favor human beings, whoever that adapt to the natural laws. The same way, an agent of government or a minister, a governor can bless you when you do the right thing. Ogeji code you like a federal officer, we bless you. A governor of a state can bless you, as a chief executive officer, he can bless you in Alpha State or recommend you for higher honors. If you are in their good book, they can recommend you for higher recognition. No one more. Hage gozigi, hage tiyekwagi neba ga gozigi n'ụzọ pụrụ nnukwu iche. Do you know the importance of IPO in your case? Onye bụ IPO? IPO bụ that particular officer in charge of your case. IPO nwere power inyere gị aka, nye gị soft landing, or nyere gị aka a discharge your case. Yes, discharge at the acquitted. On what the Kenya academic jeggy, on what the Kenya kaka cigar for, depending on relationship you build with your IPO. To according to one more. Gain forces of nature and nature beings in good terms. They know how to protect you. They know how to bless you. They know how to recommend you for higher upliftment. So in Ordinana, we reference and venerate those nature beings, call them elemental beings. We reference them because we understand na ha buru anyị ụzọ na ọnụ ụwa mmadụ a na onye bụ mmadụ ụzọ sibe ite na aka ya enwe mkpọmkpọ ite na mkpọmkpọ ọkụ. Ya bụ ọ bụrụ na iso na ndị na-recognize and neglect the power of elemental beings in a mistake. I can tell you that the benefits from them can never be overemphasized. Elemental beings and nature beings are very powerful. Ọtụtụ n'ime ha bi n'osisi sacred trees, ụfọdụ n'ime ha bi na flowers, ụfọdụ n'ime ha bụ ndị na-eje ozi n'ikuku, ndị na-eje ozi na mmiri, ndị na-eje ozi na ana, ndị na-enye aka fụ na wonders of nature. The rock, no, they grow, the mountain, they grow, and the rest of them. Those things are possible because of activities of those nature beings. Once you recognize them, believe in me, ha ga-enyere gị aka n'ụwa mmadụ a. Ị mara na ihe na-asọ na Sokoto dị na Sokoto. Some other time, we can why you should make friends with these nature beings. Ka nkwụsị ebe a. Inwe ajụjụ na nkụzi ma ọ bụ na ịchọ ka agbalụ gị afa miri emi. Chat me on WhatsApp 0805-7837-672. Let us pray. Ekwem. Ekwere m na Chineke. Ekwere m na ọ dị ihe siri m ike nke Chineke na-apụghị izi m ụzọ m ga-esi lụwuo ya n'ihi na ọ mazuru ihe niile. Obi m siri ike na Chineke emeworo m ya, ya gazie. May the blessings of Chukwu nke pụrụ ime ihe niile be with you all. May you be protected, may you be blessed now and forevermore. Ya gazie. Udo dịrị unu.